Hello dear students, this is Neha Sharma. Today this is second part of subject and verb agreement. In last video we understood that what is a subject and what is verb and how they work together with the special agreement or the arrangement. So we have seen two rules there. First rule was that when the singular subject is there, we have to apply a singular verb, and when the plural subject is there, we have to apply a plural verb with that. And the second sentence we have done over there is if the two singular subjects are joined with the words either or, neither nor and or, so then we have to attach the singular verb over there. So today also we have to do same rules, actually the subject and verb agreement rule, and third and fourth rule is related to once again either, neither or and neither nor and either or, right? So that we have to see. So when we talk about this rule number 3, let's see, it is written here that if the plural subjects are connected by the words either or, neither nor. See carefully, I am talking here about the plural subjects. Rule number 2 was about singular subjects, but here it is about plural subjects, right? So if the plural subjects are connected by the words or, neither nor, either or, the verb is plural. Clear? So this is very important. Let's understand with the help of examples. My brothers or my sisters are arriving. So here in this sentence we have to see that two singular subjects are given or two plural subjects are given. So here we can see that here plural subjects, my brothers, plural, and the second one is my sisters. This is also subject and this is also plural, and this is attached with the word or, right? So rule says that we have to use plural verb here, so that's why I am using here the verb are, right? So this is a suitable agreement. Next, see, umbrellas or the raincoats are available. So umbrellas, that's what plural subject, raincoats plural subject once again attached with or, and then we have to use are with that, because umbrellas and or raincoats is given to you and both are plural. With plural we have to use plural verb, right? Next one is either my brothers or my sisters. So here my brothers or my sisters, right, attached with or. So we have to use what here? We have to use plural verb, that is what? Are. Next is either chickens or geese are eating grains. So it is what? Chickens plural, geese plural, right? Goose is singular and geese is plural. Are is what? Plural verb. So attached with either or. Subjects, if we'll talk, chicken and geese, right? So this rule says that we have to use are, means plural verb with this, right? Last example of this, neither my brothers nor my sisters are arriving. Neither my brother nor my sisters are arriving. So here it is brothers, here it is sisters attached with neither and nor. Then we have to apply are, means plural in present form, right? That are we are doing. If it is past, so we have to do verb, okay? Accordingly that you have to do. So or is for choice, neither and nor is for negative sense, either and or is for positive sense. This I have told you in the last video too. Please take the screenshot of this rule number 3 and note it down in your notebook with the suitable examples you can find out from your from your own created sentences also. You have to write down at least 5 more sentences like this in your notebook. Okay, so just take the screenshot and learn it. When we talk about rule number 4, so rule number 4 is again that is something related to or, either, nor, neither nor, either or and or, right? That is also related to that. So let's see what is written here. Rule number 4 says if one singular and one plural Here it is different. It's a combination of second and third. Second was what? Second was if the subject are singular, right, and attached with or, either, or, and all that, then we have to use singular. Third rule says both the subject would be will be plural, then we have to attach plural verb here, and here it is a combination of both type of subjects, right. If one singular and one plural subject, this you have to just underline here. If one singular and one plural subject are joined by words or, neither, nor, either, or, and here you can use not only but also, so that also you have to write down. I forgot to write down not only but also. Okay, you can write down. So if these words are attaching the singular subject or plural subject, what I am saying once again, the words are or, neither, nor, either, or, not only but also, right. So here the criteria for that single subject is what? Singular subject and one plural. One singular should be there, one plural should be there. Then we have to follow the nearest subject. We have to attach the verb with the help of the nearest subject or according to the nearest subject. Okay, if one subject is plural, if one subject is singular and they are attached with or, neither, nor, either, or, not only but also, then we have to attach the verb which is nearest one to the verb, right, to the nearest subject we have to see. For example, my friends. Now here see, my friends, me or she is going to market. Now here my friends plural, me singular, she singular. Clear? Actually when we see the total, it is plural, my friends, me and she, but here we will not see like this. We have to see the word or is given here, then we have to focus that one subject is singular, right, second is me and third is she. One subject is plural, friends is plural, then it is me and then she, which is singular. So she is the nearest one, right. Suppose here it is dash given to you, a blank given to you, and you have to you have been given that you have to write down be form in present, right. So my friends, me or she, so she is the nearest subject, right. Then what you have to attach here is here, so is the right answer for this. Like this you have to check. Once again, Rahul or I am doing work. Here what is there? Rahul singular, I what? With I what we have to attach? Am. Actually it should be Rahul or I. Means subjects are two here, but one is Rahul, that is singular, and second one is I, right. With I we have to use what? Am, right. So I is the nearest subject here. It may happen that choices are given like this, either fill are or am. So what you will do here, Rahul or I are going to market, because what you will see that one is me and second one is Rahul, it is two, and two is what? Plural, but that is wrong. Rahul or I, we have to see the nearest subject, and the nearest subject is I. So in with I we have to attach am, right. That is the rule. Third one is not only her parents. It is also, I have told you here, not only but her parents. So one is what? Her parents. Her parents is what? Plural. But also her uncle. Uncle is what? Her uncle is singular. So one subject is plural and one subject is singular, and this is attached with not only but also, right. Now what we have to see, the nearest subject is what? Uncle, and uncle is what here? Singular. So with the singular we have to use singular verb, that is what? Lives. Okay, so lives is the right answer. Either he or I have to attend the function. Here either and or combination. Clear? Subjects we have to see, one is singular, second is I, which is in the category of plural. So with plural, what you have to do, the nearest subject along with the verb is what? It is I. So with I we have to do have. Okay, the choices will be given to you, that has or have, is, am, are, what you have to fill, was, were you have to fill. So that will be given to you. But when we are understanding these rules, so the actual rules are this, like this you have to do. So either and or combination, he and I, singular and plural combination, and there we have attached have, because the nearest subject is I and I will take have with that, right? So this is what rule number 4 says. Just take the screenshot. It is quite easy actually, and only practice is required, right? So take the screenshot, read it again and again, then you will learn it. It will be very easy for you, right? So just take the screenshot and then we will discuss rule number 5. Okay, if we will talk about rule number 5 today, so this is actually other than this either or and all that, we have done that, whatever we have. Now we have to see the word and, right? And, A-N-D, and. Now rule number 5 says, if two different subjects are joined by and, right? So this and, you have to focus on and here. One thing is and. They use a plural verb. What are they saying? See once again. If two different subjects are joined, by and, they use a plural verb. Clear? For example, a car and a bike are means of transport. Here you can write down, if two singular subject also you may write down here. Okay. Now say a car and a bike. Now both the things are different. Two different things we have. One is bike and one is car, right? So we are talking about two subjects here actually, and both are singular. So both singular subjects, if they are joined with word and, right, then we have to use which verb here? Plural verb, because we have two things here, right? And they are combined with and. Earlier with or the choice was there, so there you have to do singular, but here when and is there, so then you have to use plural verb. Next is bad diet and lack of exercise. So here we will see two subjects. One is bad diet, second is lack of exercise. So bad diet and lack of exercise, two subjects are there, and they are attached with and, right? So what we have to do, what is the verb here? That is plural. Are reason for diseases. Next one is Rahul and Ram bake the cake or bake a cake. That's okay. Subject is what? Rahul, and the second one is Ram. Rahul and Ram. Now Rahul and Ram bake a cake, right? Attached with and, singular subjects. So bake we have to do, bake is plural form or singular, bakes is singular and bake is plural, right? So this bake is plural form we have done here. My elder sister and I are interested in the drawing. My elder sister is one subject and I, okay, I is second subject, both are singular here, and what we have done here with and the verb is what we are using here, we are using are. Clear? So this is rule number 5. So let's have a quick revision of this. If two different subjects are joined by and, they use a plural verb, right? Rule number 4 was, if one singular, one plural subject are joined by or, neither nor, either or, not only but also, they take verb according to the nearest subject. Now here rule number 3, if the plural subjects are connected by the words or, neither nor, either or, the verb is plural, right? It's quite simple. Only read it thrice in a week. That's it. That will help you a lot, and this will improve your writing skill also and your speaking skill also. So thank you very much for today. Stay safe, stay healthy. We will meet with 6th, 7th and 8th rule in our next video.